In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox disconnected unexpected client behavior. So if you're facing this issue, then I'm just going to show you, you can easily fix this. First of all, you have to open your command prompt, right? So here you can just type command prompt and make sure you just right click on it and click on run as administrator. And once it get open, so here I have just mentioned something, you can just copy this out. So first of all, you have to just type ip config slash flush dns, right? So just go here and just paste it down, right? And make sure you press the enter. Once you press this enter, it will just configuration that your windows ip. Now here, this is a second thing which you have to copy. So once after copied, right, so here you have to just type ipconfig slash release, and once you type press the enter, you will find this option. Now again, you have to just do this thing, ipconfig renew, right? And here you have to just do the same thing, press the enter. So basically what we're trying to do, we are just trying to change the ip because there are some kind of your ip get banned, or if you're trying to use so many accounts, or if you're trying to do something against the terms and conditions or policies of Roblox, that's why you're facing this kind of error. So this will fix your problem. This is definitely going to fix this problem, right? So we'll just close this down and make sure you just restart your pc or laptop, right? And still, if you're facing this issue, if you're still that the problem is persistent, then you can do one thing. You can just install Roblox pc. So just go to windows, right? And here just go to google and type Roblox windows, and basically you will get this download windows app, right? If you're on the mac, you can obviously you can just go on download on the app store, right? It will redirect to your new page. So here, from here, you can just download it up, right? So this is how you can do it, and make sure you just repeat the steps which I've shown you with the command promote, and it will definitely fix the problems. So bye guys, take care.